Breaking news: researchers have created a new battery that uses sea salts. This technology is an advance in the search for cleaner and more sustainable energy. The rocker battery is 4 times more powerful than lithium and is now used as the industry standard. Do you want a better battery? Discovering life in your car, we learned that the solution to your problem might lie deep in the ocean. This innovative sea salt battery technology could not only solve your problem, but change the entire energy storage industry. In this video, we will deepen its advantages, disadvantages, and potential impact on the future of energy. For thousands of years, people have drawn strength and nourishment from the mysteries of the blue ocean. But as time passes, its technical potential grows ever larger. Beneath the surface is a new wave of energy innovation with sea salt batteries. These rechargeable batteries are used to power everything from fancy cameras to laptops and mobile devices. Lithium-ion batteries have become incredibly popular in recent years due to the latest innovation in energy storage, such as the new sea salt battery. These innovative batteries have the potential to revolutionize the industry and change the way we view power. These batteries have a very long or highly durable lifespan and can store a large amount of energy in a small area. Therefore, they are ideal for storing intermittent and unpredictable energy from renewable sources. If the benefits of this sodium-sulfur battery don't stop there, it's also extremely safe, with no chance of explosion or fire. In addition, since they are made of abundant and accessible materials, they are friendly to the environment. Australian researchers at the University of Sydney have created a sodium-sulfur battery that can store 4 times more energy than batteries powered by rare earth metals such as lithium, graphite, and cobalt. This battery is less expensive and more environmentally friendly than current solutions since it is made from sodium-sulfur, a molten salt that can be produced from seawater. According to lead researcher Dr. Xinlong Xiao, this battery could represent a breakthrough for renewable energy, as it can dramatically lower prices while offering 4 times more storage capacity than lithium. This would allow more countries to join the shift towards decarbonization, as to achieve climate neutrality by 2030. The EU will require 18 times more lithium than it currently does. In this way, with seawater we can create storage solutions that offer comprehensive energy security and are easily accessible at a local or regional level. Ursula von der Leyen, President of the European Commission, said that lithium and rare earths will soon become more important than oil and gas. However, these metals can have unintended consequences such as scarcity, loss of biodiversity, damage to ecosystem processes, and soil degradation. The world's most intriguing business, owned by SpaceX's Elon Musk, has a mission to Mars, while Tesla creates lightning-fast electric vehicles. Musk also claims that transportation could be revolutionized by his Hyperloop idea, as well as his company, which seeks to develop new construction techniques. Which of these companies will have the biggest impact on the world? Many people believe that it will be his battery business, although it may not sound all that exciting. Tesla is the largest manufacturer of electric vehicles in the world, which has raised curiosity about the type of batteries it uses. Is there a secret behind your success? Elon Musk has been a key factor in Tesla's impressive success thanks to his constant battery upgrades. When examining Tesla's performance over the past 20 years, it appears that success is not based on a specific battery, but rather on a highly pragmatic, adaptable methodology focused on continued growth and the pursuit of opportunity. From the beginning, Tesla has used a variety of different types of batteries in its electric vehicles. Initially, they used cylindrical 18,650 type batteries in their first electric car, the Roadster. Tesla then switched to larger cylindrical type 2,170 cells for the Model 3 and Model Y, with higher energy density. In September 2020, Tesla announced a new type of cylindrical battery cell called the 4680, which is even larger than the 2,170 cells and with higher energy density. The 4,680 cells are being produced at Tesla's new Gigafactory in Texas and are expected to be used in future Tesla vehicles, such as the Cybertruck and Semi. Elon Musk has shown an unwavering commitment to drumming. Technological innovation shows its dedication to improving the performance of Tesla cars, as well as promoting green energy and protecting the environment. To further this, on September 22, 2020, Elon Musk announced a variety of new innovations and projects in battery production and design. During Battery Day, he shared his goals, which included the development of new, more efficient battery cell media. Coverage and public interest in the event were both high. Currently regulated in the tech world, lithium-ion batteries are used in everything from laptops and mobile phones to electric cars. In addition, they are frequently used in the aerospace and military industries. We will explore the advantages and disadvantages of lithium-ion batteries. These batteries have a high energy density and a long discharge rate, increasing the amount of time they can remain charged. However, their durability is inferior to that of other types of rechargeable batteries, so it is important to follow the latest standards to keep them within safe working limits. Also, lithium-ion batteries deteriorate over time, which is a significant flaw in consumer electronics. This depends on both the age of the device and how often it has been charged and drained. The sea salt battery is generating quite a wave of interest in the battery world. These batteries offer a viable solution for grid-scale energy storage due to their accessibility and affordability. These batteries use sodium ions in their electrolyte, instead of the lithium ions found in most conventional batteries. This means that salt water is a renewable resource that can be obtained from the sea through a simple evaporating process. This makes these batteries a more sustainable and eco-friendly option for energy storage. Unlike conventional lithium-ion batteries, these batteries offer greater safety, less toxicity, greater durability, and greater efficiency. In addition, they have a lower production cost, which reduces the total cost. However, these batteries have a lower energy density, which means they store less energy. As a result, they may not be the best choice for some high-power applications. In addition, they are not yet a fully established technology on the market, so their availability is still limited. On the other hand, these batteries are also susceptible to corrosion from the effects of salt water, which can shorten their life if the issues are not properly addressed. Therefore, you have to take into account the pros and cons when making a decision about the type of battery to use. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.